Learn how to crop or expand an image in Photoshop. I'll first show you how to crop the photo. I'm going to click on the crop tool, or you can press the keyboard shortcut C, and you can see the frame or the overlay of the crop tool. I can click, hold, and drag a corner to change the crop aspect ratio, or I can change the sides if I want, just like that. If I want a certain aspect ratio, I can go to ratio, I can go to 16:9, and now I have the classic landscape ratio for this photo. I can also clear the ratio. There's also a straighten tool here, and there's also a delete cropped pixels. You'll usually want to keep the delete cropped pixels unchecked in case you want to go backwards or revert or change your crop. Anyways, I'm going to just click, hold, and drag this crop here, and then maybe keep it here, and I can press a check mark to accept it, or I can press enter to accept it. I'm going to undo the crop by pressing Control Z or Command Z, and instead of cropping, I'm going to expand the image using Generative Expand. So I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. I'm still in the crop tool. I'm just going to click here, and I'm going to go to the 16:9 ratio. I'm going to drag the corners to expand the image, and once I have it like this to my liking, I'm going to expand all this area. I'm just going to click on Generative Expand. For the prompt, I'm going to leave it alone, and I'm just going to click on Generate. So it does take a few seconds for Photoshop to generate the expansions, and it does cost a credit or a cloud credit. So keep that in mind, and it's going to provide me a few variations while it processes. So let's take a look at this first variation here. So this looks good. It looks like it put a little bit of sunlight or haze on the side here, which you may not like. So I'm going to click on the next variation. This looks interesting. And then there's this variation. I think I'll just stick with this variation, and then I'll close it. So you can see this Gen Expand. It created a layer right here and a mask to add in and expand the photo. And that's how you crop and expand an image in Photoshop.